Alright YouTube, how we doing today? This is Ryan, KC9OZA, here with the Clay County Amateur Radio Club, and today we will be installing the Motorola Ballmount. I've already went and drilled my holes. The center hole is 1 inch and 5/16, and the 3 outer holes you see where the insulator bolts up to the sheet metal are 3 9/32 drill bits. On this vehicle, a 2011 Jeep Patriot, I've already went ahead and disassembled the inner paneling, and I've also had to cut out a larger access panel in order to make it easier for myself to reach the mount from the inside. On the inside of the body, we have a horseshoe type mount. It will go on the inside, on the back of the sheet metal. And then here's an exploded view of the ball mount. You have your outer ball mount, which your whip will be mounted to. Your insulator that will keep any shorts from possibly happening. On the back side, they also provide a rubber gasket to make sure that everything is weather tight and sealed properly. And so now we are ready to mount the insulator to the body, and once I get that done, now we have the insulator assembly mounted to the body securely, and now it'll be time to install the ball mount part. Once I have that installed, I will come back to the video and show you how it's assembled. Alright, now we have the ball assembly inserted into the insulator. If you come around the back side, you see that large center bolt. That's the back side of the ball. And to secure it, you have a stainless steel flat washer, luck washer, and nut that you have to tighten to hold the ball assembly on. And then once I get that complete, we'll be back and we will mount the coax assembly. One extra thing to add before you tighten the inner nut to hold the ball mount is make sure the ball mount is supposed to level side to side before you tighten the nut, as this will make adjustments easier now and make the installation process simpler. Alright, now we're back. I ran the coax back to the mount, and you will have to terminate both ends using ring connectors for both the ground and your hot wire. The hot wire screws in and mounts to the ball stud we seen earlier, and then the ground just also mounts to the longer screw that was included with the kit. I've tested both, and we did not have any shorts in the system. So now it's time to button everything up, and we're about done with the install. We have everything buttoned back up, and now the only thing to do is put your choice of whip on the mount and connect it to your radio. I will be installing a 102-inch whip for CB use. Always make sure after installation of the antenna, be sure to check your SWR before you connect it to your radio to make sure you have a perfect SWR so as not to mess up your radio. I hope you've enjoyed these helpful hints and tips, and please subscribe and like and share our Clay County Amateur Radio Club YouTube page, and be sure to check back often for more installation and club related videos. 73.